Hey, Eris.
Yeah.
What are we trying?
French fries and shake.
We have some French fries that we dip in a vanilla milkshake. All right, let's give it a try. So, what do you think?
Good.
What's it taste like? What's it taste like?
Shake.
Shake and French fry?
Yeah.
You think other people will like it?
Yeah.
What's the best part?
The taste.
All right. See, it's pretty simple. You order some fries, you get a milkshake, and you dip it. And that's it. And you can drink the milkshake too. Mmm, salty. All right, we'll do.
Cold too.
It is cold, so it cools down the fries. Dip it and eat it. Oh yeah.
Mama,
Say adios.
adios.
Hasta luego.
Here you go.
Blow up.
My French fry shake too.
Buy a French fry shake tube. Dun dun dun. Dun.
What, Mama?